Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Roblox and your device are allowed to use a mic. First, verify your account age and complete any required verification so voice chat is unlocked. Once done, update Roblox and the device OS to avoid compatibility bugs and install current audio drivers if on PC. Then grant microphone permission in both the system and the Roblox app or browser. This is crucial because blocked permission is the most common reason voice fails. Now configure in-game routing so voice actually transmits. In Roblox settings, choose voice and set it to enabled, then explicitly pick your input and output devices rather than relying on default. On PC, use the sound panel to route the correct microphone and speaker. On mobile, use Bluetooth or wired choices. Make sure no other app is grabbing the mic by disabling exclusive mode or audio enhancements. Lower background app volumes so voice is prioritized. Finish by testing voice with a friend in a private server so you can verify transmission. Try both normal and push-to-talk modes if available, because sometimes one works while the other doesn't. If you still have issues, restart Roblox and the device and try the alternate app or browser. When all else fails, reset microphone permissions, reinstall the Roblox app, and gather logs or screenshots to send to support. A single strong troubleshooting tip. Always test with another account or device to isolate account versus device faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.